What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry if I sound a little bit off. It's because I'm sick. It's actually my allergies are acting up. I'm not sure what is going on here in New York City, but my allergies are going crazy. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so hopefully, you know, by next week, things will be much better, because last week it was really bad. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys my luxury shoe haul as you guys requested. These items I purchased with everything that I sold from my Closet Confidential series that I told you guys that I was taking all of the stuff that I no longer wear to fund the new stuff that I want to wear, which is going to be more classic and timeless in my wardrobe. Also, I want to show you guys the outfit that I'm wearing, because a lot of people keep asking me, oh hey, you know, why you never talk about what you're wearing? Which is kind of ironic because I always have that type of information down in the description box down below. But it's cool, you guys always leave me comment parties. It's really cool reading you guys' comments and, you know, concerns and everything like that. So without further ado, let's just jump into my outfit of the day, and then I can just jump into showing you guys the items that I did purchase. And it's more informative just in case you guys want to know. And some of the items may shock you guys because I did change my mind. I have this red Uniqlo hat. It's heat tech. It comes in a million different colors. I just decided to pick up the red one. Then I have this Alexander Wang jumper. It's like the one with the barcode series in the red. Then I have this ring, which is by Links of London. No, I am not married, but it does have the gold, the 14 karat gold and the sterling silver, which I think is kind of cool because it mixes both metals, because you guys know I love mixing metals. And then on this hand for rings, I have the Cartier mini love rings. They're the small ones, and it is in the, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but there it goes. It is in the rose gold and in the yellow gold. And on this hand, as you guys can see with all of my bracelets, it is the Cartier Justin Clou. Then we have the Trinity bracelet, which is right here in the black cord. And then we have my Dior Oui bracelet, which the Oui is, let's show you guys. The Oui is right there. And then we have my Cartier Love Band. But before I start jumping into the shoe, I want to show you guys I'm obsessed with luxury socks lately. I don't know why. It's so stupid. It's just a big waste of money. I just got these ones on sale. I forgot how much I paid for them, but they are Alexander McQueen, and it's literally a white pair of tube socks with, it says in Old English writing here, I think it says McQueen, if you guys can see. So I got that. Then I have these pair of Alexander Wang barcode socks. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with Alexander Wang. That's like my favorite streetwear brand right about now. And then of course, I'm obsessed with Gucci socks. Alex, she told me do not buy another pair, and Sandy was like, stop buying another pair. So you guys, this is the last pair. So they come in this fancy box, which is really beautiful actually. And then you got your little Gucci sticker. And then you have, I purchased these. These are in the red, or like burgundy with the dark blue. So here's a close-up of them, and they cost $120. All of these cost, I don't know what the other ones cost, but I know how much those cost. It was also really, you know, a pretty penny. Let me just wipe my nose first. Hold on one second. I'm sorry about that. I might be, you know, stopping and starting randomly because like I'm sneezing and coughing, but I still wanted to produce a video for you guys this week. But enough rambling. So the first up are from Gucci. They come in this newly Gucci box. It's white and black, I guess, and with the Gucci logo right there. You guys seen all this stuff before? Do you guys even care about unboxings anymore? Like, does anybody care? Do you guys even care? Let me know, because I'm like, nobody cares about seeing a shoe box. Let me just show you guys the shoe. But the details of the shoe, if you guys do want them, it is this. They are the Gucci Horsebit loafers in a size 9. I'm a Gucci 9. I'm normally always a size 43 and all across the board. That's a size 10. But in Gucci, Gucci runs big. I'm a size 9/8.5. It just depends on, you know, the type of shoe it is. These did cost $730. It comes with 2 Gucci dust bags, one for each foot, which you guys know I like. I hate when shoes come with 1 dust bag, because it's just, I have 2 feet and there's 2 pairs of shoes, so why did you give me 1? But anyway, as you guys can see, it is these pair, and I never wore them before. I bought them a while ago actually, and I never wore them. I don't know what is wrong with me. They came in these plastic bags, and here are the pair of shoes at hand. Let me take out the stuffing and all of that stuff. So here they go. These are the Gucci Horsebit loafers in a size 9, like I said. I've been eyeing these for a while, but I didn't think that they were my style. Like, I didn't think that I would wear them. I didn't think that, you know, they were me. They felt like a little bit dressed up. They felt a little forced. But then when I tried them on in the store, I was just like, you know what, Nico, you can do this. You can get away with it because it's so much more casual than you think it is. And that is my style. I'm more casual meets, like, you know, grunge meets streetwear. I don't like to be all dressed up, but I felt like these specifically because, let me show you guys, the back folds down if you want to, and it's the soft back, so it is, you can wear it up or you can wear it down if you want to, and that is why I purchased these shoes versus the Jordan ones. They are the ones with the stiff back that cannot fold back down. So I decided to get these because of that, and I just think that I would definitely get so much wears out of these. You can wear them with socks, you cannot wear them with socks, whatever you decide to do with them. Just make sure you guys wear your stuff however you want to wear it. Stop like, you know, oh my goodness, like I have to wear it like this because this is how everybody else wears it. Who cares? Wear your stuff exactly how you want to wear it. So I definitely can't wait to give these bad boys a whip around my office, because I know people are going to be like, where is he going? Because I normally don't dress up. So the next pair of shoes may come to a shock from you guys. Like, I've advocated that I did not like this shoe at all. I did not like it. I did not like it. I did not like it. And then one day it just clicked in my head, like, you know what? Those would be so cool, and I pulled the trigger and I got them, and it comes in this box. As you guys can see, it says Saint Laurent Paris on them, and you know, Laurent signature thing. I did wear these already, so it's not like a true unboxing or true anything. And I did go ahead, I'll show you guys, and put some soles on them. So my friend, he went ahead and went to go put like the rubber soles so I don't go slipping and sliding everywhere. I might put the soles on the Gucci shoes as well, but here they go. These are the Saint Laurent Wyatt boots in the black suede. I freaking love these shoes. These make me look so much taller, so much longer, so much leaner, so much everything. Let me hold up one at a time. So this is how the shoes look. They are this, and this is how they look from the front, which is so sleek. And then this is how they look at the back. The heel height, I think, is, let me take a look. I think it's 40 or 30 millimeters. Let's triple check. So it's 1.2. It's 100% calfskin leather. It is made in Italy, and I just love these shoes. Like, oh my goodness, they make me look so freaking good. I did purchase a size 43 in them. Like I said, I love these shoes. I can go dress them up for work. I can dress them down. I wear them with a pair of jeans all the time. I wear it with a leather jacket. Oh my goodness, wait till you guys see my leather jacket. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to, do you guys want to see that now? Let me make you guys see that now. But I freaking love this. Let me just show you guys my leather jacket. Hold on, really? Oh, you guys are gonna see, you know what, we're family, so I don't care anymore. Let me show you guys my freaking new leather jacket from All Saints. Like, I know I wasn't supposed to be showing you guys clothing in this video, but I freaking love this jacket. I've been waiting for a leather jacket for years. For years. And I did get an All Saints one in a size medium. I think this one is called the Milo or the Milo or something like that. And this is how it looks with the little silver hardware, and it just looks bomb with turtlenecks and all types of things. I think I'm gonna do a photo shoot tomorrow, and I might feature this jacket in it, but I freaking love that jacket. But anyways, back to the shoes. And last but not least is a pair of sneakers, which I just purchased. I got them yesterday, and they are from Lanvin. So they are Lanvin Paris, which I had a pair of Lanvins before, and I wore those sneakers to the ground, to the point where I had to take them off my feet and throw them in the garbage, because I love those sneakers. I wore them, like, those were the perfect sneakers to work from, to go to work, to go to a party, to go to a club, to go to a business meeting, to go anywhere. Like, I can get away with those everywhere and anywhere. They were black and white, classic Lanvin sneakers, but I upgraded and I got these pair. Let me just show you guys first, and then I'll talk about them, which is, comes in this box, and they come with 2 dust bags, and they also came with an extra pair of laces, which my other ones never came with an extra pair of laces, so I appreciate that. And this is how they look. They are a classic pair of black sneakers. Like I said, I wanted everything to be black because it's just easier for me. Let me just tell you guys about them. These are the Lanvin cap toe pebble grain leather sneakers. They cost I think $6.95 or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I didn't pay that. I paid like $190 $95 or something like that. I paid to about $200 for these sneakers, and I wasn't even looking for them. My friend found them for me, and I was like, okay, perfect. They're the perfect sneakers for work. So this is how they look. They feature a pebble type of like caviar leather, as you would say, like, you know, if you guys speak Chanel, it's like a caviar leather on these, which are very, very durable. And they have like this soft Swift. I'm going from Hermes talk to Chanel talk. So this is like if this is caviar, this is like a lambskin type of leather. Very smooth. Here are the sneakers. This is how they look. This is the bottom of them, which I freaking love. Like I said, I did put an insole in them. They are kind of wide, so as soon as I opened them, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, oh, these are wider than my last ones, but it's okay. I have a flat foot, and like I said, I put an insole in them, and then I can also wear them with a thick pair of socks, which I just showed you guys before, and they will be perfect. But that's all that I got for you beautiful people today. Let's have a comment party down below. You know, what do you guys wear to work? You know, do you guys wear black sneakers? Do you guys wear shoes? Do you guys wear jeans? Can you guys wear whatever you want to work? You know, let's talk about that. Which one do you guys love in, you know, all this haul? Do you like the Gucci shoe? Do you like the Saint Laurent boot? Or do you like the Lanvin Sneakers? Do you guys have any of these items? Let's just have a conversation down below. Like, let's make it fun. Let's make it a forum. But I'm going to go ahead and take care of myself. I'm going to go out. I think that, you know what? I think I'm going to take you guys with me to a vlog of, you know, showing you guys how I try these stuff on and insert them in the video. I might do that. I think I have an appointment with Daniela today. I'm not too sure. But let me go ahead because right now it is 11:45 and I need to get going. So I hope you beautiful people have an amazing day. Everything that I talked about will be in the description box as always. And let's have a comment party down below. I hope you beautiful people have an amazing day, and I hope you guys feel much more better than I do. Peace. Bye. So this is how it really works, you guys. I did just change my whole entire outfit just to shoot the behind the scenes for you guys. So I want to shoot it more vlog style. I just changed to this turtleneck and my leather jacket that I just showed you guys in the video because I really am feeling the leather jacket out here. And right now I'm just looking for a location to go ahead and shoot because I want to make sure I show you guys each angle of the shoes or the sneakers or the boots that I just got. So let me put the bag down. So yeah, I always carry a bag, and then like this is just how it works. I just have this bag and it has all those exchangeable shoes in here. I wore these to begin with. So you guys, right now I just found a different location. I'm gonna switch out from the boots to the sneakers. I could have shot everything in the same location, but I feel like I want to switch it up for you guys. I just usually train my eye to see what area looks kind of cool or what looks kind of different, just so you guys can see something different versus like, oh, okay, it's the same thing, and pull you guys in more. That's just my mindset of thinking. Like, I want to see something different, especially if somebody's talking about something for such a long time. So let's go ahead and pull it out. And I find that I need to get a new pair. I need to get a new tote bag, like a real tote bag, because this bag I really don't use like that. But this is like the only tote style bag that I got. And here's the sneakers in daylight. This is how it looks. That's the shoes in daylight. There goes the bag. This is the Celine, I guess, Phantom tote. I don't even know what it's called anymore. But yeah, and I did put a pair of insoles inside, like I said. So that's a wrap, you guys. That's what I normally do. This is how I normally do my stuff. But until next time, for real now, peace.